Class, stand. What is the letter that looks like a great big smile?
Capital U.
Capital U. Say it with me. Capital U, little u. U says as an umbrella. U says Great job. Sit down. Boys, stand. Boys, you say it. Capital U, little u. U says as umbrella. U says Great job. Sit down. We're going to be super silent and let the boys and girls watching say it. Boys and girls watching, you do it with me. Capital U, little u. U says as an umbrella. U says Oh, give yourself a silent cheer. You are learning your letters. Today on our paper that we're going to do has the umbrella on it. But before we can do our umbrella, I need to know that you can do these all by them yourselves. Do you think I could pick some of you to do them all by yourself? Let's do them together first. Class, stand. And let's do them together first. Begin. Great job. Sit down. Let's see. Elijah, stand. Elijah, could I do it from the bottom? You do it. Come get an apple. You are such a sweet worker. I love that hard work. I wonder who else I could pick that's doing their best job and working hard. I'm going to pick Bethany. Bethany, you try it. She's being a sweet worker. I love it. Good job. You take that back to your seat. Girls, stand. Girls watching, you join us. I'm going to let Mrs. Apple be silly. She's going to skip around. Begin. You know what? Sit down. Angelina, come see Mrs. Stewart. Come get my last sweet apple. You're the only one that I heard. You and the girls watching. Girls watching, give yourself a big hug. What happened to the rest of my girls? Girls, stand. Girls, follow Mrs. Apple. Begin. Good job. Sit down. That was much better. Boys, stand. Boys, you do it. Good. Sit down. Now, on our paper today, we are going to do our letter capital U and little u, and then we're going to color our umbrella. You can take this home, and it's almost like having the teacher card, and you can show your mommies how you do your capital U and your little u. Class, stand. Let's do it together before we turn our chairs. Capital U, little u. U says as an umbrella. U says Boys and girls watching, you get ready with your paper from your on-site teacher, and I'm going to give them theirs as we get ready to color together. Turn your chairs, do it fast, don't be last. Turn your chairs, do it fast. Put your hands in your lap. Are you sitting up straight and tall? Do you have your hands in your lap ready to go? Mila does. Johanna does. She's ready. Bethany's ready. Go ahead and pass your papers. Pass your papers, do it fast, don't be last. Pass your papers, do it fast. Put your hands in your lap. Oh, we need to get faster and faster at this. We should already be done passing our papers. Do it faster. Be ready like the boys and girls watching. They are all ready to go. Wow, Lucia, I'm looking at table 1. She already has her paper slanted. Who else can I find has their paper slanted and ready to go? Kayla and Cyrus has their paper slanted. Love that hard work. Sometimes it gets stuck. It's okay. Take out your crayons, put them on your house. boys and girls watching, you get your crayons ready to color beautifully. Go ahead and open up your crayons so that they're ready when I tell you what colors we're going to use. Go ahead and slide them open. Good job. Our hands are just in our laps, ready to work hard. Just put them right on your house. You're ready. Eyes this way. Look at your capital U. What color are we going to use today?
Red.
Red. Look at my capital U first. Let's look at mine. Do you see how slowly, Connor, I am coloring today on my paper? I am going so slow because I don't want to scribble. I'm too big to scribble. We are in K4. So we are going to take our time and we're going to color capital U. And what's this letter?
Little U.
Little u. And we're going to take our time and we're going to make it so pretty. Take out your red crayon, check. Oh, I like how Joseph already has his elbow up. He already has his daddy and mommy. He's showing it to me. What does daddy say? Buckle up. Remember, we're going to use our inside voice. What does mommy say? I love you. And what did the baby say? I will obey. Check that your helper hand. I'm not going to color until your helper hand is on your paper. I want to see everybody's helper hand. Table 2, you look fabulous. Boys and girls watching, amazing. Begin. Color capital U and little u. It's important that you wait for the teacher, that you follow directions, and that you're being diligent. Noah had to be diligent. He had to follow God's direction on how big to build the ark, how high to build the ark. If he didn't follow God's direction, not all those animals could have been on the ark. So you have to follow all the directions and wait patiently. That's definitely something Noah had to wait, was patiently. What does you say? Good job. Capital U looks like a great big smile. Boys and girls watching, did you remember that? And little u reminds me I'm drinking out of my what?
Cup.
My coffee cup. I love coffee. I can just smell it. It smells so good. Drinking out of my coffee cup. Keep doing your best. After you color your capital U and your little u, just look right up here for just a minute. Eyes on my umbrella. Do you see that I have a red part of my umbrella? It's red between the red line and the yellow line. So I'm going to go extra slow so that I don't get it on my yellow, because yellow is my favorite color. I don't want to get the red on my yellow. So I'm going to color so slow and color in my red umbrella, just that part. I'm not coloring the yellow or the green or the blue, just the red. So after you do capital U and little u, then you can color in just the red part of the umbrella. Boys and girls watching, did you listen to those directions? Are you following it step by step? I know you are. Keep working hard. Do capital U. I'm going to come around and look at your papers to see, are you staying inside those lines? Are you going so slow to do your best? Because we're at big school now. We don't need to scribble. We're working so hard. I love it. This hard work makes my heart so happy. We are obeying and doing our best just like Abram did. He listened and followed the directions from God. Yes, good job. That looks beautiful. I love it. Just keep coloring. You're doing a good job. You're sitting up straight and tall. Remember, even when we color, we're going to sit up straight and tall and have good posture. Boys and girls watching, are you sitting up straight and tall too? Don't forget that helper hand. Elijah, are you waiting for Mrs. Stewart? We didn't get to that part yet. Wait for me. Put your yellow crayon down and wait. After you're done, your red crayon goes back in your box and your hands are in your lap. Way to go, Jonathan. Those eyes are right on Mrs. Stewart. I love it. Wow. Look at these papers. We're getting so big, following directions. Red crayons down. Let's see who's following quickly. Whoa, Joseph, that's the fastest I have seen you. Great job, boys and girls watching. Eyes this way. I'm so excited I get to use my favorite color. I'm going to color in between the two yellow lines. You're doing great. We're going to color in between the two yellow lines with our yellow crayon. Yellow crayon, check. Yellow crayon, check. Take out your yellow crayon. Make sure mommy and daddy are holding on tight and the babies are tucked inside. Don't forget your helper hand. And color your yellow part of your paper. The yellow part of your paper. I love your hard work. Keep coloring. Keep doing your best. I love it. I'm going to come check over here. I'm going to come check table 2, see how we're coloring. Oh, Kayla, can I hold up your paper and show the boys and girls watching? Boys and girls watching, are you staying with the teacher? Did you color capital U and little u? Did you do just the red and the yellow? Staying right with us? I hope so. I hope you're doing your best. Yellow crayons down. Yellow crayons down. If your paper looks like Mrs. Stewart's right now, then you're following directions because I have not done the green or the blue. That means you stayed right with the teacher. You are following directions and doing such a good job. The next one is green. We're going to take our green crayon and color in the green spot. I'm coloring in it so nicely. Color in the green part. Take out your green crayon check. And color the green part between the yellow line and the green line. Are you doing your best for Jesus? I hope so. When you stay with the teacher and you don't do your own thing, you are doing your best for Jesus. I like this hard work. While you are coloring, let's sing our raindrop song. Are you ready? If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. I wouldn't mind if the sun never shined, 'cause I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, singing all the time. If you're done with the green part, you may pick up your blue crayon and color the blue. You may finish your umbrella and color the blue. Make it pretty. Do your best. Everything we do, we can do our best for Jesus. I like this hard work. When you take this paper home today, you can make it like your teacher card. And you can play school with your brothers or your sisters or with your mom and dad. Capital U, say it with me. Capital U, little u. U says as an umbrella. U says Great job. Wow, I'm going to have to show the boys and girls this paper. Look at this paper right here. This girl is learning to color inside the lines. She stayed right with the teacher and colored her paper. Wow, we are doing such a good job. I hope you're doing your best today. Way to go, Bethany. I like that hard work. You may finish your red part. We're almost done. I like it. Very nice job. Very nice, Elijah. Put it down. Good job. I like your job. okay. I'm going to give you 1 more minute to finish up. 1 more minute to finish up. And then we're going to put our crayons away. You're doing your best. I love this hard work. Boys and girls, if you're finished that are watching, you can go ahead and put your crayons away. You're doing a great job. Close up your crayon boxes, slide them inside your desk. Quickly, put them inside your desk. Class, stand, turn your chair to the front. Quietly turn your chair to the front and hold up your paper. Stand in front of your chair and hold up your paper just like the teacher card. Hold it right here in front of you, like this. Let me get mine. Just like the teacher card, like this. Stand right in front of your chair. If it's over your face, you're not obeying. Put it right here. Let's do it together. Capital U, little u. U says as an umbrella. U says Way to go. Put your paper down. Go ahead and put it inside your desk. And let's sing our raindrop song one more time. We'll sing it a couple of times, the one that you get to come and give Mrs. Stewart a hug. Are you ready? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Carter wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Elijah wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. The boys and girls watching want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Luke wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. I love your hard work today, boys and girls. You may be seated. What does you say? Great job. What does capital U look like? A. Great big smile. And what does little u look like? A coffee cup. A little coffee cup. Great job. I hope you did your best today. Carter, go ahead, sit down while you colored your paper, and you get to take it home and make it just like the teacher card. You use it to remember that capital U and little u says